So this is a screencast of my thesis project I worked on with Ericsson. So this is a collaborative project between KTH and Ericsson where they study autonomous warehouses and all the entities involved in them. To give more context, there has been some more research going on in the background, and there have been papers published which divides the warehouse actually into three levels. One's the supply chain level, which is like an overview of the entire thing. It consists of how one warehouse is connected to different warehouses, or one warehouse is connected to different retailers. It consists of warehouse managers, which are responsible for managing the warehouse, or which consists of also retail managers, which consist of managing the retailers. These retail managers can share data between each other. These connections between the warehouse and the retailers are made by trucks. The trucks also emit some data, and it's a form of an entity. Moving on from supply chain level, there's warehouse level, and what the warehouse level is basically an overview of the warehouse and what's happening inside. It consists of the robots. It does not talk about the robot interactions. It's about robots in itself and how they are interacting within the warehouse, not with each other, because that is the intelligent agent level. In warehouse level, we focus on how the warehouse is performing, what's the risk percentage, and how these robots collaboratively work, but not being dependent on each other. We decide different combinations, and we'll come to that when I explain the warehouse level visualizations. And then there is intelligent agent level. So intelligent agent levels is basically how one robot interacts with other robot. And it's pretty much it. I mean, how they operate together. I mean, we use a KPI called interoperability, and we draw curves based on that. And we'll see it when I discuss more on the intelligent agent level. So let's go ahead and check out the supply chain level first.